Are you seeing the Vulkan 164 DLL runtime error mid-game? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist, and I've diagnosed the fix to keep your gaming session stable. While we explore the technical guide for Vulkan 164, you can access a professional tool for managing complex library dependencies. This DLL file is a specialized 64-bit loader for the Vulkan API. It manages the communication between 64-bit applications and the graphics driver for high-performance 3D rendering on PC systems. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. The Vulkan 164 DLL is part of a game graphics runtime. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX files, then update GPU drivers for OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA support. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including the Vulkan 164, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Please use caution. Replacing the Vulkan 164 DLL manually often requires elevated permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your system architecture vulnerable to external exploits. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. Resolve library inconsistencies and review system architecture using the reference below for information related to the Vulkan 164 environment. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching the Vulkan 164 today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.